So today we are in Birmingham, Alabama, where we are going to learn a little bit about the civil rights movement that went down in the South. Birmingham is an important part of the civil rights movement because of the events that went down between 1945 and into the 60s. Not only was segregation very prominent, but there were also direct attacks towards people of color. Birmingham was actually nicknamed Bombingham because of a series of, I think, over 50 bombs that targeted people of color and their communities and their homes. The motel behind me served as the headquarters for a civil rights campaign. Guests included civil rights leaders who were planning civil rights demonstrations at the time. Amongst those leaders were King and Abernathy, who occupied the motel's main suite. The motel is currently being restored to its original state. This is the Birmingham Civil Rights Institute, which is an amazing museum where we are going to delve deeper into the history of the civil rights movement in Birmingham, Alabama. The 16th Street Baptist Church. At this location, a very tragic event happened that propelled the passing of the Civil Rights Act. A group of white supremacists unhappy with the idea of desegregation bombed the church and in the process killed 4 young little girls. The act of terrorism caused such an outrage that it put political pressure to ensure the passage of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. Now I'm gonna grab some barbecue before we head out to the Freedom Riders Monument. That is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned a little bit about the importance of Alabama and its involvement in the civil rights movement here in the South. If you enjoyed this video, then please give me a thumbs up to let me know. And be sure to subscribe and follow me. I am at REDROMINA everywhere on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Vimeo, all the places all over the internet. Follow me so that you don't miss out on all of this. But for now, I'm gonna go. So I will see you when I see you. Bye. This video was made possible by my patrons over at patreon.com/REDROMINA. If you like what I do, become a patron and be a part of the exploration.